Is Python development outsourcing still a smart move? Your project needs a skilled Python developer, but the talent pool has dried up. Sounds familiar? Many companies are facing this challenge, struggling to find and retain top tier programmers. That's why Python development outsourcing has become such a hot topic. Now, let's have a quick look. Why you should outsource Python development? Number 1. Reduce your development expenses. Access to a global talent pool. Focus on your core business and benefit from team scalability. Let us help you with the process of Python development outsourcing. First, define your development scope. Then, find the perfect partner. Evaluate and select the partner. Initiate your Python project, the main Python development, testing the Python project, and at the end, deploying the Python project. Once all said and done, the question remains the same. Is Python development outsourcing a smart move? The answer to our main question is a resounding yes. Python development outsourcing gives you access to a global talent pool, reduces cost, allows you to focus on your core business, and provides the flexibility to scale your team as needed. If you're looking to hire developers, do reach out to us.